So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Nemo, and in today's video I want to show you a website that I've actually shown before, but it hasn't really gotten that much attention back in the day. So I'm redoing a video on the site because I do believe this is basically the easiest site that you can actually make money on. This video is channeled at those of you that haven't made any money online with any of the previous methods, whether you thought it was too difficult or you didn't have any patience for it. So this site is for you. People are making money on this site on a daily basis. Now this can only work for you if you are not going to be lazy. I know it's kind of not what you expected on how to make money online, but what you guys need to understand is that a lot of the attention around making money online and the hype around the whole topic is all a lie. It's not what it's, they don't make it out what it actually is, that you actually need to put in work to make money online. I do believe starting online with freelancing or just having the patience and starting a YouTube channel can really make you some great income online. But for those of you that need money as in today or the end of this week, this site is gonna work for you. You can use it on your phone or on your PC, but you do need a verified PayPal account with the site. Okay, so now this is the site. It's called Hive Work. Okay, it's hivemicro.com, and as you can see, I've made about $6.13 from 1,404 tasks. Now I will show you exactly which type of tasks I like to target with the site. I just did these tasks to show you that you can actually make money with this site. Okay, so yesterday, as you can see, this is the leaderboard. Okay, that's last week. If you look at yesterday, a guy called Hugo Ludwig earned $21.07. Now this may not look like a lot of money, guys. I do understand it, and this site has got its own set of rules that you need to obey as well, but at least this guy has made money online. And if you have never made any money online, $21 can be a huge jump in percentage earnings online, which will actually be paid out to you because the threshold to get paid out is only $10 for every Friday. Okay, so if you look at last week, PRS earned over $80, Ross Ellie earned over $78, and the week before this there was even a guy that earned $156. Okay, so if you are from a developing country, this money could mean a lot if you convert it to your local currency. If you are from a first world country or so-called developed country, then this may not be for you. But the sign up process is pretty easy. You basically also need to verify your PayPal account with them because they do only work with people who have verified PayPal accounts. So that's how you sign up for these guys, and this is the type of jobs that you can actually do. So as I said, I do like to look out for certain tasks that pay a certain amount of money. Now this is one of them. You usually get ones that go up to 5,000 per 1,000 tasks. Others go up to 1,000 per 1,000 tasks, and this is basically about $4 a task. Okay, there's only 10 tasks available. Choose one or more 1.5 to 2 minute exercise videos combos to film and submit. So this is easy if you are not shy to put yourself on video. Okay, it's basically $4 a 2 minute video. That's really easy, but there are other rules you need to obey with this platform. For example, making sure that it is according to their guidelines. Payment approval. This job only pays for submissions that are approved to match all requirements through manual review. These are typically higher paying jobs with strict acceptance criteria. Turnaround time for approval is usually within 2 days. Now as you can see, you've also got commercial labeling, okay, which is $6 per 1,000 tasks. Okay, that's okay. This one is okay. What's in store? Basically tell them what's on the image, what type of product, $4. Okay, but there are other higher paying tasks. This is $20. Okay, so these are the types of tasks that I go for $20, $15, okay, $30, $50. So I don't put in so much time to make that amount of money. But if you are looking to make this a consistent thing online, you need to actually apply for all of these, as I've said before. Okay, so if we are going to choose a task right here, something to do, let's go with paint the street. Okay, so you don't get paid for the qualifier. I'm just going to show you basically what the task is. You need to qualify, you need to actually apply and qualify for this task before you actually can start working. This is without the hardest job on Hive work. This requires an extreme attention to detail, and your submissions must be 100% perfect or you will not get paid. They basically put out in red there for you. Disclaimer: this qualifier will take up to 30 minutes to complete. So we go to next. Okay, it's just some more jargon, but basically this is what you will do. Only color objects that are boxed. Select the correct label that matches the color of the box. Annotate. Use the locking feature to minimize gaps between different images. Okay, so in this job you will be labeling 11 different classes in an image. Okay, this is unicycle, bicycle, tricycles, bicycle cards, bikes attached to back of vehicles, all bike parts, public bus, schools, all buses, cars, vans, trailers. This is more or less the similar what you will do on the remote tasks. Okay, and they show you exactly what you need to do right here, but each picture also tells you exactly what to do. So you are going to be coloring in a lot of this stuff. Okay, so if you look at number 4, if they will show you the example of the task here, because they have already boxed it. All you need to do is color in the color in what they have boxed. Okay, so everything what they have boxed you need to color in, which is very simple. Okay, you need to zoom in and color in these people using the polygon tool. Okay, so you can see that it is very simple. They will even show you how to focus on a specific region. In other words, basically zoom into what they want you to color in so you don't miss any of the edges. This is really easy, guys. Okay, and they give you all the tools here which you actually need. You can also play this video to see exactly what they want you to do. If we go to number 7, they show you more type of layer opacity and high annotations if you need to. Okay, but that's basically it, guys. These tasks are really easy to do, and there's no reason why you can't earn any money with these guys. Now if you look at the names right here, okay, so if you just take a look at the names, okay, you'll see that they do change. Now if you look at the all-time rank, you'll see that these people's names you don't see anymore, because that means that these guys have already made more or less enough money to cover what they actually need. And this is what you can also do as well. You can either use this site to earn money online consistently, or just pay down the accounts or debt you have and move on with your life and try out something else online, or just make your monthly rent money or electricity money with the site. So guys, I really hope that you see how easy it is to make money online. Okay, I know that these tasks may look like a lot to do and a lot to take in, but in all honesty, there is literally no other way to make money online besides doing tasks. Those sites that pay you up to $50 a task, or maybe even $500 a task, as some other videos claim, those sites you don't always get the type of jobs that you think you will get, and most times you will need to know, you will need to have mastered a specific skill set just for their jobs, and they are also very geography specific, which means they only choose people from developed countries, and the rest of the world can go to shits. They don't really care. So stop watching clickbait, just get on and do the work. Okay, if this video brought you some value, please smash the like button. It does help the algorithm boost this video, so other people who also need to know this information can find it. Okay, and do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet done so. I will see you in the next one, and goodbye.